Namaskar friends and welcome to Shubhodaya Healthcare channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, watch the video till the end, like it and share it. Here I want to clear one thing. Most of these health tips were being used in villages. So before going to adopt these health tips, please check whether your body physically supposed to this or not. It is better to take an advice from the doctor. In this video, I am going to tell some important health benefits from Ajwain seeds. In South Indian language, it is called Oma. So most of us in our kitchen we have seen these spicy seeds. Adding flavor and aroma to our meals is not only the purpose of these Ajwain seeds, but it also gives the various health benefits to us because it is rich in fiber, minerals, vitamins and antioxidants also. Ajwain seeds are very helpful to minimize the acidity. One of the most crucial health benefits of Ajwain seeds is it gives relief from the acidity. So add a tablespoon Ajwain seeds to the warm water, and then we can also add tablespoon of Zeera powder. Mix it well. After few minutes, drink it. This will give and relief from the heart burnings. One of the most important health benefit of Ajwain seeds is that Ajwain water clears mucus, that is balgam, from the body and provides relief from the cold, cough and asthma. If we inhale the steam of these seeds for 5 minutes infused in hot water. We can also take these Ajwain seeds with jaggery. Ajwain water is an excellent remedy for getting the regular periods. All you have to do is boil a tablespoon of these seeds in the 2 glasses of water and add little bit of jaggery. As it gets cool, have it in the empty stomach. It helps to stimulate the uterus effectively. The best part is that its anti-spasmodic qualities, which helps in preventing the menstrual cramps and pains as well. Ajwain water also helps for the weight loss. Take a glass of warm Ajwain water every day in the empty stomach. So it helps to dissolve the body fat and helps to reduce the body weight. Ajwain water also gives relief from the toothaches and swellings. Just take a glass of warm water that is mixed with the Ajwain seeds and also the salt. Gargle it every day in the morning, so it will give the relief. For itching and burnings, take some Ajwain seeds, crush them, make into paste with the help of the lukewarm water. Add pinch of turmeric to it and apply them on the affected area of the body. So it will give relief. For joint pains, take Ajwain seeds oil according to the requirement. Heat it lightly, and if you want you can add garlic to it. Massage it on the affected areas. It will give the relief. To overcome from trembling and shaking of limbs, take a tablespoon of Ajwain seeds, soak them in the water in the night and early in the morning. Continue this one in the morning on regular basis. So this will give relief from trembling and shaking of limbs. Another health benefit of the Ajwain water is that cold Ajwain water can be used to wash the itching eyes and cleaning them. For common cold, cough and nostril block, Ajwain seeds and Zeera to the warm water and consume it. If we inhale steam adding Ajwain seeds, Zeera and eucalyptus leaf, then it will give quick relief. Consuming the Ajwain water twice a day or chewing raw Ajwain will give the relief from the diarrhea. If you feel chest pain, then you will get relief by using Ajwain water. Drinking Ajwain water while breastfeeding can hugely beneficial due to its inherent properties that helps to improve the production of breast milk in new mothers. Here the anti-inflammatory properties of the Ajwain seeds helps to heal the body internally. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, click on the like button and support the channel. Thank you.